Today, you will learn how to remove blank lines in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Maybe you pressed Enter too many times or copied text from the internet and now the spacing looks messy. Deleting lines one by one can take forever. Every time you press Enter in Word, Word adds something called a paragraph mark at the end of the line. These marks are invisible, but they control spacing. When you press Enter twice, Word creates two paragraph marks, and that creates a blank line. If you want to actually see these paragraph marks, go to the Home tab and click the paragraph symbol, P. This helps you understand where the extra spacing is coming from. Now, to remove these blank lines, go to the Home tab at the top. On the right side, click Replace. The Find and Replace window will open. Click inside the Find What box. Type triangle P triangle. Each triangle P means a paragraph mark. In fact, you don't have to type triangle P manually in the boxes. In the Find and Replace window, click More, then click Special, and choose Paragraph Mark from the list. Word will automatically insert triangle P for you in the Find What or Replace With box. This is very helpful for beginners because you don't need to remember or type the code yourself. Word adds it correctly with just a click. So this triangle P tells Word to find places where there are two paragraph marks together, which creates a blank line. Now click in the Replace With box. Type triangle P. This means we want to keep only one paragraph mark and remove the extra one. Click Replace All. Instantly, all extra blank lines will be removed from your document. Click OK on the confirmation message. If you still see some blank lines, it means there were more than two paragraph marks together. Simply click Replace All again until your document looks clean. Now you know how to remove blank lines in Word in seconds without deleting anything manually. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more super simple and high-value Microsoft Word tips made for beginners.